Hey guys, good evening and welcome to another video. I'm back. I didn't post some videos for quite a while right now. That's to a good reason, as we have been developing softwares, indicators the past months, and we didn't really have time to post the videos. Although we had webinars, we had everything, and we also recorded them. There was just no time to adjust them and to upload them due to the signals and the webinars and the projects we had. So it was quite a busy 2 months. So I'm back here with a new video. This is an indicator which we have created. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it does or what it's supported by, but it actually gives signals for 2 minutes, which are great, or 90 seconds or 3 minutes. So the best thing is to watch and look at 90 seconds or 2 minutes. So we have been trading for 2 minutes the past weeks with it. We've been giving signals for 2 minutes and our ITM rate was quite high. I actually recorded a video this morning. I did a 6-0 and that was actually not recorded, but the other recording was a 7-0. And the problem is that when I recorded it, the file was corrupt. So actually, I lost the file. I couldn't like finish it. I talked to the support of the software that I use, and they couldn't help me as well. So I just had to record a new video. Shouldn't be any problem because the software is amazing. I believe in it. And you know, if we don't get a 100% sheet, it's no problem. At least I can guarantee that we can get like 90%. So yeah, the indicator is actually right over here, as you can see. This is it. I'll just start with the Euro USD, the first one. And as you can see, like a lot of things, you see the familiar Bollinger Bands, the chart pattern. You see the patterns over here showing up. You see the stochastic, you see some arrows, some dots. You see the candles, of course. So what is this indicator? What does it do? This indicator actually shows you whenever a reversal is coming up. And this reversal is quite good with a 2-minute time frame. And it gives you a very, like, how do you say that? It gives you a very good and high chance of reversing. So it took us a while, but it's finally done. It's finally finished. We have been using it for giving out signals to people as well. It has been very good, and now we're ready to even distribute it to the people that need this. So I'm just going to start right now. And as you can see, like, let's just look simply on the arrows. You know, when you see the arrow and the dot, that means that there's a reversal coming up. But look at this over here. Look at this one. So it was a candle up, and when the reversal came down, you see how long the candle went down, and it just kept going down until over here a new reversal has been indicated. Also, look at the stochastic. The stochastic actually tells you that this is actually a buy signal, you know, based on the stochastic only, the stochastic oscillator. As you can see, the reversal over here wasn't a reversal because there's no dot. So the perfect setup is this one over here. Dot, 2 arrows, and the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator is approximately around 20, even less. So that is a perfect setup. Let's see over here. Look at this. This one. This is a perfect setup. You see how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles down. When you have like 5 or 6 consecutive candles down or up, always remember that a reversal is coming real soon. That's like when you look at the chart, just keep that in mind. So this is a perfect setup over here. This is just perfect. Look at this. Stochastic crossing, yellow dot. The arrows are here. And when this candle finished, it started over here and it began going down. And as soon as it went down, you saw that the stochastic has passed the buy and the sell came up. And this is the moment you should have sold, actually, you know. And look at this, how beautiful. Look at how far it went down. Look how beautiful. Also over here, look at how perfect this setup is. This is just amazing. You see that? So let's see if we can get some. By the way, if you have any questions or whatever about this indicator, just please contact me, and we can talk about it. It is actually, in theory, it's for free. Actually, in theory, it's for free. We're trying to help as much people as we can, and just let us know. Look at this, by the way. What's happening here? No, it's not good. And yeah, so that's basically what I want to say about this indicator. So I'm just going to put down our website over here because it's quite annoying to have it up. www.tradewithben.com. If you have anything over here, just if you have any questions or whatever, just go to our website, sign up for a free trial of signals or whatever, and yeah, let me just put them down real quickly before we start our session. Let's see if we can get like 5 ITMs or whatever. That should be good for now. Even though we have much more this morning, let's just not push our luck as well. This remains a strange market. It's quite volatile as well, as you can see. So let's see what we can do. Just move this away, and my chart is ready. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's see if we can find a good setup. Let's see. Let's see. This is not quite good, actually. No, not at all. Let's go further. Many setups popping up. Sometimes you just have to focus on a chart to see if any possibilities comes up. And if not, look at this, yellow dots, no arrows. This is not good. Stochastic is not good. Let's just continue to see what's going to happen. This one's going down. I think that our first trade is going to be USD Canadian dollar. In the next candle, there will be a reversal coming up. If you look at the stochastic only. And let's see how that will happen. Let's see. Use the JPY. So actually, this alarm thing that gives me this thing is just an alarm that gives me an indication of a possible setup. So that's very good to immediately look at that. Use the Japanese yen. Look at this reversal. So actually, the reversal should actually show up right now in this candle. You can see that it's pushing itself up, quite up, and the reversal didn't show. So actually, this candle should have crossed like this one, as you can see here, but it didn't cross. So the candle we're waiting, this candle should have been actually across, and this candle should have went down. So let's see, Australian US dollar. Okay, so USD Canadian dollar as well. So we're waiting for this. Well, it's quite. Well, let's see. I'm just gonna keep on looking for setups until I find them, and we'll see how it goes. So basically, use the Canadian dollar. I think there's a possibility that we can make a good trade on that one. Just need it to actually. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if the reversal is right over here. Actually, should have waited one more candle. But yeah, no problem. That's just Australian dollar, US dollar. I'm just gonna go and finish. I'm just gonna go and look for more trades. Let's see. 2-minute trades. We're looking for more setups. Looking for more setups. Yes, let me see. Euro USD going down. The reversal already started. Let's see. Here's the Canadian dollar. It's not going the direction I wanted it to go. Let's just see what's happening over here. So it's gonna, actually this should go up. So I think it will recover anytime soon. We'll just wait for it. Let's see. Still waiting for this reversal actually, because actually the chart indicates that the reversal is happening. Maybe we should just wait like a little bit more. I think actually, I don't know if you have time enough to check it out. It's already going down. So it's either going to go up now or it's going to go down. I think that it should go up. I think it should continue to go up. Or else we're starting with one OTM. It's not the best start, but hey, let's see. 17. Okay, so we lost that one. We lost the USD Canadian dollar. No problem. We can't have 100% ITM rate all the time. What we can do is look for a new trade. The Australian dollar, US dollar. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. Actually, a small uptrend is going. So we're gonna cancel it, please. I did that too fast. Sorry. Australian dollar, US dollar. I just clicked too fast. Yeah. So I tried this actually with 90 seconds a day. It was great. It was very good actually. Let's see. So our second trade is a win, as you can see. This trade is actually still tied, but it just happened. So let's see what will happen. Australian dollar, US dollar. Let's see what happened over here. Australian dollar, US dollar. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a reversal, like 6 consecutive candles. Stochastic is indicating a reversal. It's out the band. The pattern, the support, the resistance line has been hit right now. Yeah, this is going to reverse anytime soon. So let's see how it will go. Okay, so the market is not as volatile as I thought it would be. Doesn't matter anyway, but this is good here. So this is a sell action. Still waiting for this reversal. Somehow the market is still stuck at 001 and still waiting for that reversal. There it is. There is the reversal that we were waiting for. GPUSD is indicating down. And okay, so let's see. Let's look for more good setups. Let's see. So this is hard. This is an uptrend happening right now. By the way, if you know, it's not the perfect pattern, but always look up patterns. You see this? This is a butterfly pattern over here. So, okay. USD. USD is going to do something as well. I'm gonna prepare. Oh wow, that GPUSD. I'm gonna prepare a trade for the Euro USD sell. Australian dollar, US dollar. So that's a nope. That's not good. That's not good. Let's see the USD, Swiss franc. US dollar, Swiss franc is indicating a buy actually, and which is very. Looking at the chart, it's a promising buy. So let's wait until all requirements are met. It wouldn't be a perfect setup, but it's quite good. I think this is an 80-90%. No, it's 70-80% setup. 70-80% setup. Okay, so this is quite good till now. This is quite good. This is quite low. Waiting for that to happen. So the next candle is actually a buy. Let's just wait for the next candle. Look at this. This is a doji candle. This indicates a reversal. It looks like a cross. Indicates a reversal. Look at over here, doji reversal. So study that, guys. That's very important to know. Let's see. This should actually be a reversal. So you're gonna wait for the next candle to see what's gonna happen. Let's go ahead and gonna buy this one now. USD Canadian dollar. I'm gonna go for the next one already. USD Canadian dollar low. Let's wait for all the requirements to be met. Waiting for all the requirements to be met, and that should be anytime soon. Waiting for the next candle. Look at that jump. Look at that jump. Gonna wait for this one. This is quite good, although there are some other opportunities over here, perhaps. Oh yeah, let's see at the Euro USD down, 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 down. Oh, it's quite hard. It's an uptrend. It's quite hard to take this one. Use the Canadian dollar. So I was just at this one. We're still waiting for the reversal, which should happen anytime soon. Let's see. Waiting for the cross and the second candle to take the trade. And okay. So yeah, trading takes patience, of course. It's actually what we're doing. We're just waiting. It's quite good to take right now, but I'm just waiting for all the requirements. Then I can blame the indicator, not myself. By the way, we won our other trade over here. Oh shit! Oh my god! I should have bought it. I wasn't paying attention. Did I just take it at 65? Okay, no problem. Okay, so let's see what's up next. Australian dollar, US dollar. It's indicating this is a trend. I'm not gonna mess with trends right away, so I'm just gonna go further. It's difficult to explain trends right now. And here's this. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Actually, this indicator works with every it works with every MetaTrader, actually. Yeah, so let's see. Okay. Still looking for good setups. This can be quite boring for you guys. I can understand. I'm just trying to show you how the indicator works. And actually, I'm seeing a great setup over here. Australian dollar, US dollar. Oh man, this is a trend. I don't know where my mind is, but no, I'm not gonna mess with that one. Although it looks quite good. No, I'm gonna leave it for what it is. Well, about this trade, we just took it. Actually, the USD Canadian dollar, it's right here. You see that the doji, even if I didn't have anything, this little candle over here, the doji candle, just indicates a reversal. And look how beautiful and how deep OTM it is, ITM it is. Sorry, you see that? It's in with a lot of pips. It's in with, well, okay, it's quite good. It's quite good, but that's what I'm trying to say, that the reversal is just amazing. Like, how many trades did we take right now? We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades this session. No, actually less. We took, because one was canceled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We took 5 trades in this session, and we lost one, so it's 4-1 actually. But if you can see, like, I had a session today with my clients over here. Started like 1 hour, 11:57. No, wait, let me see. This was yesterday. This was today, 10:56. So this was actually this morning with my clients, because I give out signals as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ITM. So we had 6-0 today, like I mentioned before. This is the signals that I gave. Actually, most of my clients, like, they got in for 80% of the signals, because I give out the signal first and then I give the strike rate. So people are already prepared to press the push button, and we're very fast sending messages to your WhatsApp, Telegram, or whatever. But 6-0 today. So I'm actually a heavy trader myself. I trade a lot of money because it's actually my job. And I'm just trading low amounts right now just to show you the indicator. But all of these trades that we took, actually all of them over here, they have all these trades are from my these are from this indicator. Like, I use a lot of strategies, but currently the past time I'm just working on indicator. So as you can see right now, not so many things are going on. The market is trying to stabilize. In 2 hours, the New York market will close as well. And therefore, we're just waiting. We're just waiting to see if there are any chances popping up. Like I said, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signals and 4 ITM, 1 OTM. And actually, that is great. You know, that is great, because if you can do that daily, if you can get like 2 or 3 ITMs daily, that's more than enough to grow a big balance. Like, there was a day I started with 250 euro, and I can tell you guys, it took me a long time to come where I'm at. Let's see, by the way, while we're talking, because I'm seeing a trade popping up. Pooh, that is a potential trade indeed. Yeah, Euro USD. So they never come alone. They come in pairs. The signals. So that's good to know. As you can see, look how beautiful it's going up right here. Look at this. You just put a line over here. This is beautiful. I love to see a symmetry in something. So this one, it's actually kind of a good trade. Yeah, the stochastic a little bit far from where I love to see it, but yeah, this is a potential reversal actually. But I'm gonna leave that for what it is. I'm gonna look for a perfect one. And use the Swiss franc. This is going to be a perfect setup. USD Swiss franc low. I'm gonna prepare the trade actually, because I think that yeah. Let's see. Let's just wait for the reversal. Yeah, so it took me quite a while to be where I'm at, and actually I blow a lot of accounts, to be honest, and I just kept working and trying and whatever, and signal providers, and a lot of people made a lot of money on me. I can tell you that actually, and it's my own fault. It's definitely my own fault. So let's see. I see that this one, it's no, it's not good. Okay, I missed this trade actually. It's already down in. I missed this trade actually. I'm just gonna leave it for what it is now. So a lot of people made a lot of money on me based on commission and whatever, and you know, there comes a time which you just realize that nobody's gonna help you for free, and you just have to do it yourself. And I started learning, studying the indicators, the basic indicators like the RSI, the stochastic, the Bollinger Bands. Starting to learn the average directional index, which is a very good indicator, the MACD, Fibonacci levels. And so what I also studied a lot was support and resistance lines. Like there was a time which I only traded support and resistance lines, which was quite good actually. It's support and resistance lines are like the basics of trading, but it's not enough, you know. And what I always did was always study. I kept on studying because that's the only way you'll be successful. Nobody's going to study for you. You know, I made this software, yeah, and I did that because I studied a lot. And you have to study yourself too, because not every arrow and not every dot is a good trade, and you have to see that. You know, you have to see that. Like, look at here. There's a reversal. It still didn't happen because not every requirements, all the requirements are met. But the reversal is coming up very soon. So you need to know when is the reversal coming up. So therefore, you have to study. You have to know. You have to know what a chart looks like, what the indicators look like, and actually, this is also going to be a reversal right here. The Euro USD. I'm just going to prepare a trade while I'm talking to you guys. You need to know quite more than only how to use this indicator or how to use any indicator out there. You need to study. You need to know chart patterns. You need to know the candle patterns, which is very important, which I just showed you, like the doji over here. So it's not a reversal over here, but you know, it's very important to know what these all are. Look at it. After the doji, a big hit up. Also after this doji, a big hit up. So it means something, and it's up to you to accept if you have to study this or you don't have to study this. You know, I've been trading for quite a long time. It didn't just pop up out of the air. There were times that I just had to study and I had to do my thing just to know what everything means. You know, and like, I love to help people out. You know, I can give you a free trial in my group. I don't care. Like, come over and see if you can make money with me. If you can make money with me, I'm happy as well. Like, you don't need an indicator or anything. If you need guidance, I can be there too. You know, it's not everything is just based on money or whatever. I can help you for free. You can ask me whatever you want, and I'll be there. You know. So basically, trading needs patience. It needs you to put up your emotions aside. You know, I remember the first time I blew my 250 euros, and I thought, like, whoa, this was not what I signed up for. You know, I got quite emotional and upset, but it's a lesson you learn. You know, like that 250, it will come back. Maybe my biggest mistake actually was that I didn't demo in the beginning. I always traded with real money, and that's just my biggest mistake. I wasn't stable. Once you're stable, you can use real money. But I know there are a lot of people just like me who are just like, they just want to make money and whatever. But it's not that easy. You know, you have to be like Let's see, guys, because there's a trade coming up as well. Over here and over here. So this one is a reverse. I'm waiting for the second candle, but I'm quite sure that there's a, I'm waiting for the second candle. Let's wait, guys. Second candle. Second candle should be up a bit. So I don't like the differences between the MT4 and the broker in strike rates, but yeah, let's see. Here's these here. So waiting for the second candle. There you go. Second candle. I don't know why it's going down, actually. Well, let's just wait. So, like I said, you know, it's try to demo your thing first. Get an indicator. Get yourself a good indicator. Demo it. Try it out. Try to study for yourself. Try to put your emotions aside. Try to think like someone who is a trader. And the most important thing is when you trade real money, pretend that it's demo money. Just forget that you have invested that money. You know, just forget that you have invested that money. So I don't know what's going on, but over here, oh, there you go. Wow, that's great. I don't know what's wrong with if there's a problem with MT4 or if there's a problem with the broker, because the strike rates are quite strange. But yeah, so how do I think like a trader? How do I make the right choices at the right moment? How do I know when something is going to reverse? How do I know when something is going to go up? How do I know when something is going to go down? All of this can be answered by pretending that this is all fake. Pretend that this is a demo account. It's not real, or at least forget about your balance. Not about this balance, by the way, but forget about the 250 that you have deposits or less or whatever. Like, forget about that, you know? Just pretend like you didn't deposit it. I don't know what's going on right here, but there's something going on. This has to be the craziest trade right now, actually. And I'm gonna lose it probably because of the arrogance of 24 options. What happened now? Yeah. Wow. It tied. It went up from here to here and it tied. Like, oh, that is crazy. That is crazy. Yeah. So pretend that that money is not real and just forget about that money. In your mind, pretend that that money is already lost. It's lost money, you know? So when you do that, it's quite easier to trade because trading is second work. I don't know how you call that. Seconds work. Yeah, it's seconds work. Like, you have to be quickly. And therefore, if you doubt anything, you can't delay yourself, you know? Because if you delay yourself, you will miss a good trade. Just like I did in the beginning when I canceled my second trade. I was just too quickly because I didn't look quite well. And that's when you doubt yourself. It's the same. You'll either miss a trade or you'll cancel a good trade because you're doubting too much. Don't doubt. If you have studied the things you have to study, then your knowledge is good, and then you should be able to spot a good trade. And you know, I know people who make like 1,500 bucks or 2,000 bucks a month working hard somewhere, which I really respect. And when they come home, they have good food, and then they just start trading for 1 or 2 hours and go to sleep. While in those 2 hours, they make more than they do working, you know, but everybody needs a stable income. So I would never advise anyone to give up your stable income and your work and whatever, and don't make trading your life unless you really have enough money and you know what you're doing, you know, then it's really up to you. But great setup, by the way, again over here. Yeah, well, actually, you know, bought it over here and just leave that trade. You know, I just need that trade to go away from here. It's quite annoying. So yeah, like we're having a webinar in like one hour or so, and yeah, let's see. Just looking for good setups over here, because it's better to call it a day, even though this wasn't the perfect setup. But I hope I motivated some people on studying more, because you're never done studying, especially now with binary options. Yeah, I really feel bad about it, about my video, which I made on my stock pair account. 7 ITMs this afternoon and 0 OTM. Oh well. I hope this video doesn't get corrupted anyhow. So let's see if there are something. So basically not many trades popping up. And the thing is that these trades come in pairs. So, you know, so that's the problem actually. That's the problem actually. So we're just waiting to spot a potential trade, and once that is done, then I'm trying to squeeze in one more ITM, and to see how that goes over here. No, it's not good. It's not good. Let's wait. Also, not a good setup right here. Yeah. So the volatility of the market is quite low right now. Oh my God, what happened? Sorry, just screen just went off. Let's see, USD Canadian dollar. Oh yeah, look at that. No, the stochastic is really awful right now. It's really awful. It's just crazy how fast it went up from here. Look at this. USD Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar. So just waiting for potential. This will be probably our most potential setup at this moment. So we're just waiting. Let's see. USD JPY. USDCF. Euro USD. Look at how beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just in. I love to see the symmetry of this over here. Let's be USD. This is all great, but it's not a perfect setup. And that's actually the problem. That's actually a problem. It's not a secure setup, and therefore this has to be very crazy market trend, down, up. This is really crazy, but I think that USD Canadian dollar actually has a potential of going down quite soon. So if that's the case, I'm going to buy it. Let's wait for the second candle, the new candle, which is going to show up. And let's see what it can do. And actually, I think that there is now a reversal coming up right now. Let's see. Just waiting for the reversal over here because it should. Yeah. This is going to reverse right now. Just still waiting for the second candle. Don't know why it's taking so long, but yeah, waiting for the reversal, and it's gonna go down. So you see how quick we actually click it. I don't know if there's a lag problem or whatever, because sometimes I see that the levels that I'm clicking are not quite correct. So I don't know if that's a problem right now, but well, we'll find out later. So we have 4 ITMs till now. One at the money, 1, 2, 3, 4 ITM, 1 loss. And let's see. Wow, what happened to my trade? Where's my trade? Oh, it's over here. So let's see if this will do what we hope it will do. And so it's going the right direction right now. And it's going to go down more, I think. Well, hopefully. Let's see. JPY. So indicates a reversal over here. Just wait for the new candle to show up. We're gonna wait for the new candle to show up, and then we will choose a direction. So let's see. Waiting for the new candle. Okay, so I bought it. Took quite a while till it got it. Oh, by the way, we won our USD Canadian dollar trade over here. Euro USD, and the GBP USD. Let's see. Let's see the Euro USD. And by the way, this reversal actually happened just now. This one is going to go up. I could probably take a 60-second trade on this one, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna leave this for what it is. Also, it's it's gonna go down more actually. Not all the indicators are looking quite good. Let's see how this is gonna go. The USD JPY. I'm gonna open that one. Hopefully we can end our session with another ITM. Let's see. 30 more seconds left. 30 more seconds left.